Is your organization struggling to align teams, stay focused, and achieve meaningful outcomes? With an effective OKR implementation program, you can transform how your teams work and thrive. Many organizations face the same challenges: misaligned KPIs, silos, and lack of clarity on what really matters. But there's a way to overcome this by shifting your focus to outcomes, not just tasks. Our OKR program focuses on 5 core areas for success. What we focus on: aligning OKRs with your strategies, mission, and vision. How we organize and relate. Breaking silos and building empowered, collaborative teams. For whom we create value. Prioritizing customers, colleagues, and partners. How we get things done. Using agile OKR cycles, weekly check-ins, and retrospectives for continuous improvement. How we engage. Cultivating leaders as visionaries, architects, and coaches who inspire and empower. Our 3-phase transition framework ensures success. Start with crash courses to build foundational OKR knowledge. Integrate OKRs into all teams through practitioner, leadership, and professional training. Practice with real-time implementation, weekly check-ins, and retrospectives for continuous learning. Ready to create a thriving, outcome-driven culture? Create self-driven teams with the OKR Institute.